at the comfort of their phone using our digital platform, Aquarage app.
Now, the African Organization of Technology in Agriculture will be holding its continental third edition of the International Conference in Business in Naivasha in Kenya. The conference, scheduled for March 2025, will focus on policy and how to monetize agriculture and have universities work together to place Africa as a strategic food reserve bank. Now, banks have also been brought on board to ensure that farmers have access to required funding, with some offering insurance policies to the farmers as a way of safeguarding their investments, just like any other business.
The opportunity we are going to get through this conference is to what I call linking the bottom to the top of the pyramid, at least having everybody in the same room: practitioners, researchers, policymakers, business community. Because even at our university's framework, we are known for a big agricultural university, but not much of the research that we do has penetrated the industry.
As long as the farmer is able to do what we call the agri-business, they are farming for agriculture, and then they are able to have the right partners who work with them to ensure that they're able to farm in an agricultural, in a business way, then they are there to succeed. In case there are issues to do with risk where the rainfall is not there, I want to confirm insurance policies are there to help pay up some of these facilities.
This event will bring about 1,000 people to this region, and so we're very excited. And I want to tell the team from Rwanda that Naivasha will not disappoint. As you know, Naivasha has many beautiful things. We are surrounded by lakes around here.
Now, more than 1,200 orphans and 240 disadvantaged families